Okay, so what we have here is a pair of chopsticks that I got from AliExpress. They're very cheap. Got 100 for just a few, 100 chopsticks for just a few bucks. And what I like about these type of chopsticks is that they have a natural beveled edge. Can you see that on one side? It's already shaved down to a fairly sharp point. You can probably even use it at this stage. On the other side though, it's a bit rounded and it's a bit thicker over there. So what I like to do is I like to carve down that side to give me a sharp edge on both sides. So I just take my regular boxing cutter and I just start shaving away. I could probably have used a sharper blade here. And I just start shaving away. I'm trying to make sure that at least at the end I get an even shave across the entire edge of the nib. And I think even at this point it's probably sharp enough that I can write with. So let me just test it out. I'll get a paper over here and I'm going to write the Hebrew letter Shin. And I'll just dip it in a bit. And you see you get a really nice sharp edge there. Sorry, the camera got a bit out of focus at this stage. Now with these type of nibs, you really have to dip because there's no reservoir, so you probably have to dip every stroke or two. But you get really nice letters, nice sharp letters, and there you go. You made yourself a nice calligraphy pen in around 1 minute. And these nibs, these chopsticks are around 11 millimeters wide, so around a half an inch, and they're great pens to work with.